Kind of unusual looking skies over Los Angeles today. I'm looking towards downtown. There's the Hollywood Mountains, Griffith Park in front of me. And here is downtown. So I'm looking north from Los Angeles, north towards the mountains. There's downtown LA. So came out here this morning. It's a really unusual look to the clouds. And then I'm hearing on the weather report that north of here in Ventura County, there's going to be Santa Ana winds up to 80 miles an hour, and they expect power outages and everything. So I just suddenly got that announcement. So, we know there is geo-engineering going on. Very unusual. This is from my balcony towards downtown LA. I'm looking north. Normally there are mountains behind the buildings down there, but because of that hazy cloud, hazy dark cloud right there, you can't see the mountains right behind the tall buildings. And very unusual looking. Very unusual looking. It's about 8:30 in the morning, maybe. What is it? January 7th, I think, Tuesday. We knew it was coming, though.